I was compiling result for my students' midterm scores. So I just wanted to record this session and tell about how can we run different descriptive statistics on our Excel sheet. So here is my result. These are the roll numbers, these are the name of the students, and these are the midterm scores they got out of um 35. So 35 were the maximum marks. So let's do these descriptives for that scores that we have received. So first of all is the mean. I just want to check what is the average score by my students. So I will just go to this cell, write is equal to, and then write the formula average. It will tell me to select the numbers. I will just select it till the last student and I will close the bracket. And then if you press enter, you will see the average score of this class is 25.58. Second thing that we want to know is the median. So I will write is equal to median. Again, I will select the same data and then I will put bracket close. It will tell me the median is, so if what Excel does is it arranges the data and then pick the mid value, which is median. Third one is mod, so I will write MODE. I will just ask it to pick a single mod, not multi-mod. So let's select the mod, which is the most repetitive value, and it gave that 24 is the most repetitive value in our scores. Another thing that I'm interested to know about is the maximum scores in the class, so that I know that what are my range, what is maximum, what is minimum. So for that I will write is equal max, which is a max, and again select the whole data and close it. It will tell me the maximum value is 35. Now for finding minimum value I will write min, which is minimum value, again selecting the whole data, bracket close, enter. So the minimum value is 18. Now I'm interested to know about first quartile, which is 25% of my data. I will just put quartile.exe. I want excluding quartile so that I know. So this means that if it's first 25, the 25th is included in it or not. So I'm using the excluding one. I will select the data and close the bracket, but it won't let me close my bracket because there is an argument which it will ask it is a first quartile, second quartile, or third quartile. So I will just select one, which is first quartile, and I will copy the same formula here and here, and here I will just change second quartile, which will be similar to median, and then there will be third quartile. So how I select this, I actually quartile.exe bracket start the range and comma and the third quartile. I will enter, it will give me third quartile. The next thing is stdev, and I want it for sample, it's not for all students. So I will just select sample standard deviation and close it. So the standard deviation is 4.64, and now I can go and find coefficient of standard deviation, which will be standard deviation divided by mean. So I will turn it into percentage, it will be 17%. So which class is more consistent in performance? I will just replicate the same for my next class and we will see. But before that I will just add two cells over here in which I will find range. So I will just do maximum minus minimum, it will give me a range of 17. Okay, let's come to this class, and here I need to just put these two. Let's put these st. So it's the next class that I am working on. I need to include 2 over here for median and mod. So this is the formula which is already here. I will just put the same formula, change it to median, same formula, and change it to mod.sngl, mod single, maximum, minimum, and then again here I will find range. It will be maximum minus minimum, so range is 15. It's not that spreaded as compared, I mean, like dispersion here is 15 only and here it is 17. We will see further. Let's go for standard deviation, which is stdev dot s for the same data, and which is 3.7, and standard deviation of this class was 4.6. This is more deviating as compared to the other class, but let's see the coefficient of standard deviation. It will tell us a bit better picture whether which class is more consistent. So it is 13% and here it is 17%. So class A is more consistent as compared to class B. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed for the video, please subscribe the video. These were the basic statistics operation that we ran using Microsoft Excel. If you have any other query, please write it in comment or write it to my channel. I have mentioned my email over there, so I will try to cover that topic for you. Thank you.